Introducing the 2023 Kia Soul. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a versatile Kia Soul, the subcompact crossover that's funky, affordable, and loaded with talent. Designed with ample passenger and cargo space, this smooth-riding hatchback also brings touchscreen infotainment, the latest safety tech, and a unique sense of style along on every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, stability control. Everyday practicality meets high-spirited fun in this well-equipped Soul. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.